Hello, there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to FX Billionaire Hub, and in this video, I'm going to analyze the market technically for next week, and we are going to break down support, resistance, trend line, and price action zones to find out our proper zone or entry. And as per our trading step, we will start our analyzing with higher time frame to find out market direction. Then we will enter into lower time frame to get proper entry. Okay, as per you can see there is our last week analysis and what is happening there. As you can see there, we told that we can take buy entry from this particular zone or area, and market does exactly that area or exactly that thing. And as you can see there is more than 1000 pips movement, that means bullish movement from our zone or our areas. Okay, and this is the accuracy how we are trading. Okay, and let's get back into a clear chart to find out the market path or direction. As you can see there, I just deleted all of thing. And if I want to start from weekly time frame, as you can see there, last week market was on bullish momentum and market is rapidly growing, that means rapidly go for bullish a long time ago, and it probably going to touch all-time high again. And if I want to select daily time frame, as you can see there was a all-time high, okay, all-time high touch area, that was our all-time high zone. And as you can see there, in Thursday market was going to touch all-time high zone, but it was unable to touch here. And if I zoom in little bit more, and as you can see there, there was a total of 5 trading days, and we got 4 bullish candle and 1 bearish candle, and each and every candle going to close very smaller. Okay, you must be why that thing is happening from beginning of the month or beginning of the November. And as per you can see there was a big body candle, but there nowadays there is a small body candle and higher nick or big nick. Okay, mostly it's likely pin bar. Okay, because of December. Okay, and there is another holiday, that means Christmas holiday coming, so market is going to be more slower in upcoming days, so we have to trade with careful and with our zones. Okay, and if I especially want to draw support and resistance area or support and resistance zones, as you can see there, that area is our support trend line area. And if I want to draw a resistance area or resistance line, that can be our perfect resistance area. So as per our strategy, what will be happening there, market will move within that particular area. So you can buy there, you can sell there, you can buy there, you can sell there. This is the current thing, because market will not move much more in that particular holiday time, and market will be going to close very soon. So let's get back into our H4 time frame to check what is happening around the world or what is going to happen there. And as you can see there, let me remove all of previous drawing, and we will find out a perfect entry or perfect direction or market path. Okay, and if I want to draw again trend line, okay, as you can see there is our trend line, and we have a broken trend line there. Okay, there. Okay, in that particular zone and area. Okay, and if I want to go for each one time frame to find out proper direction or proper path, as you can see there, we have to follow our all-time high zone to set it as a what, set it as a resistance area or reference resistance area. That means where is our resistance, where can be market goes maximum. Okay, we already set it, and let's get back down, and I can consider that particular area, that means that particular area, this area to this area, about what, about our buying and selling zone. So we can take a buy entry in lower zone, and we can take sell entry in higher zone. This is the basic theory, and let's remove all of them to find out our market entry. And if I use each one time frame as per the reference, where we can take buy or sell entry in Monday. Okay, and as you can see there, that particular area is our support trend line. Okay, and that particular area, that particular area is our resistance trend line. And based on each one time frame, you can take buy entry around that particular area. That means with candle confirmation, if market come there and if we got any candle confirmation to go buy, then we can consider buy entry here, and if we get any sell confirmation over there, then we can take sell entry here. And if there is any breakout happen, we will wait for a pullback, perfect pullback till there. Then if we get any selling confirmation like sell confirmation, then we can consider a sell entry. This is the current theory, and market is going to close very soon, because this is going to be maybe last trading week for the December. So we have to trade, be careful, and we hope we can make a lot, or we can make a lot in upcoming month. That means first week of December. So we have to wait for that, and there will be no major momentum or no major movement in gold in that particular week. So we have to, if you want to trade, you have to trade with careful, okay? And there will be many fundamental things coming in upcoming weeks, like interest rate cuts or wire related, that means geopolitical related issues. Then we have to consider that also. So we have to wait for that, and we are updating each and every fundamental and technical data in our public Telegram channel. So you can join there to get real-time data update or real-time analysis. So I hope all things clear now for today, and that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.